I'm Sean with Priority Builders, and you might not know this, but living through renovation can absolutely suck. We're gonna use our main floor renovation out in Sherwood Park as an example of how we do things differently and make the renovation experience a lot more pleasant for you. Let's check it out. Living through a renovation can be tough, okay? It can be stressful. I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. When you live in your house during renovation, it is not easy, okay? At Priority Builders, we're 100% honest with that. And if you are going forward with the renovation company should be honest with you, okay? So these are the 3 points, the 3 reasons why living through renovation is stressful. Reason number 1, everything is not what it was. This kitchen isn't gonna be here for 6 or 8 weeks. Your living room's not gonna be there. So you're not gonna be able to go through your normal routine, going in the fridge, cooking dinners, having lunches, waking up in the morning and going to your coffee pot, sitting down at the dining room table, watching TV. None of that is gonna happen during the renovation. So I don't care who you are, but after 8 to 10 weeks of that is gonna be stressful and that's gonna be hard on you, especially for a main floor renovation like this. This house is the client's most valuable asset. Generally the house is. This is your safe place. This is where you come after a long, hard day of work. You come and relax. Well, now during the renovation, this main floor reno, you're not gonna have the opportunity to do that, okay? So that's reason number 1. Reason number 2, the house is gonna be a construction site. So that means dust, that means construction debris, that means a mess. The reason for that is we start pulling these shelves out, we start pulling this drywall out of here. I don't care who you are, you're not gonna be able to keep the dust down. It's gonna travel throughout and it's gonna get throughout your house, okay? Throughout the entire construction process, there's so many different stages that creates dust, whether it's drywall taping, whether it's finishing carpentry, whether it's cabinets, there's gonna be dust. It's a construction site and that definitely causes stress. So we're told by a ton of our trades, our suppliers, and so many people that we are one of the cleanest renovation contractors and contractors, period, out there. We do take cleaning seriously. And even though it's not gonna be as perfectly clean as if Mr. Clean was coming by, but we definitely take that seriously. And we know that if we can reduce the dust, reduce the mess, and stay organized, you guys are gonna be a lot happier. Reason number 3, you're gonna have random people coming and going out of your house. You're gonna have plumbers, electricians, drywallers, tapers, people you don't know. So think about it. When's the last time you had Shaw Cable or Telus over? For most people, it's an uncomfortable situation, okay? You're probably waiting at the top of the stairs. When's this guy gonna be done? You know, your heart's pounding a little bit. It's just an uncomfortable thing. So imagine that throughout the entire renovation, right? One of the important things that we do is we hire only trusted trades. So we not only hire on super high quality, but also on personality. So when you meet our trades, you're gonna feel really comfortable. They've got kids, they got families, they're gonna remind you of you. So that's one of the important things that we do. We also communicate a lot. So we let you know what's happening, when it's happening, who's gonna be here, what's going on with your renovation. So that way you're not always looking at the schedule and thinking, oh, somebody's supposed to be here, what's going on? Or when are my cabinets going in? Or when is this, when is that? You know when things are happening and we always communicate with you. So those are the 3 points. So when you go forward with a main floor or a full home renovation or a second floor reno, just know it's not gonna be super easy, but if you prepare for it and if you let Priority Builders guide you through it, you're definitely gonna come out feeling a little less stressed. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and make sure you leave a comment below. I wanna hear from you. What do you think? Have you been through renovation? Was it stressful? Let us know in the comments below.